enjoys.
When I heard the word stroke survivor, I'm like, what do you mean, a survivor? Like, is that the word? Are we using the right word? That's my life. I can't hide it.
Aphasia is a language disorder that impacts one's ability to read, write, speak, and comprehend language. We see people after stroke, we see people after brain cancer, after traumatic brain injuries, and we see people across a wide range of ages. Everyone's needs are different, and everyone's communication and goals are also different.
I have a really great marketing job, and I want to get back to work. They know that's my number one. You really have to do your, I guess I'll call it homework, your speech therapy. That's how I've gotten so much better.
As a student clinician, we are in charge of doing diagnostic testing, coming up with treatments, and then applying those treatments to our clients. We make modifications as necessary if they need extra help with spelling or maybe reading. If they have a motor speech disorder, you have more speech intelligibility training, whereas language deficits, we work on reading, writing, and language comprehension.
The Aphasia House offers participants.
I'm able to talk to my friends, my family. I've gotten so much better. There was one point where I couldn't even text at all. My friends, I would just look. I couldn't even reply.
I've actually always wanted to work with clients that have aphasia. In undergrad, I got started with Aphasia and Related Conditions Research Lab. I now lead that lab as a lead coordinator. This is really a step up of teaching me exactly how aphasia treatment goes, what working with aphasia clients really looks like. It really gives me insight to what my day-to-day job would be like in the future.
I didn't even know it was going to have master level students in this program. I was here and I met these amazing 4 girls. They made me like a family.
It is a lot different than regular treatment that you see maybe 1 or 2 days a week. I see my client 4 days a week. She's here for 4 hours. We build a bond. There's trust, there's respect.
Because I went to UCF and they're here in their program, I'm here, I'm on the other side now. They're helping me and I'm helping them.
At the end of the 6 weeks, we host a graduation. It's a big celebration for our clients and their families to come and not only see all the progress that they've made, but connect with the clinicians that have been working with them for the past 6 weeks. These clients put in a lot of work and a lot of energy into this program, and we can only celebrate them.